Disability Rights Arizona. Disability Rights Arizona presents self-advocacy and effective communication in healthcare settings. What to do after a problematic healthcare encounter. If you were denied effective communication in a healthcare setting, follow the steps in the healthcare provider's internal grievance procedure. If there is no grievance procedure, write a letter to the hospital or healthcare provider's leadership, like the director or CEO, and tell them what happened. Provide them copies of your interpreter or CART request and ask for them to investigate and provide the results. There is a template for these types of service complaints linked in this video's description. It's important that you consider your complaint options. You have 3 choices. You can file a complaint with the U.S. Department of Justice, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, and the Arizona Attorney General's Office, Civil Rights Division. The pros for filing a complaint with the Attorney General's Office include that it's free, easy, does not require an attorney, and may offer mediation as a way to resolve the dispute. But remember, filing a complaint may not necessarily provide a quick resolution to your issue, and you may not receive the outcome you are hoping for. This video's description contains a linked video on how to file a complaint with a state or federal agency. Educate yourself on the pros and cons of each option before making your choice. If you do decide to file a discrimination complaint, you must complete and deliver that complaint no more than 180 days from the date the discrimination occurred. If you feel you've been discriminated against, you can also consider whether you want to file a lawsuit. The deadline to file a lawsuit is 2 years from the date of discrimination. Filing a complaint with a state or federal agency does not change this deadline. The pros of filing a lawsuit include that it is likely to get the healthcare provider's attention, and it may eventually lead to a settlement. The cons of filing a lawsuit include that filing a lawsuit is expensive, takes a long time, and generally requires an attorney who will ask you to pay their fee as you go and prior to any settlement. Also, if it is a private healthcare provider, money damages are not available. If you've been denied effective communication, you may want to complete a client intake with Disability Rights Arizona. You can contact us through our website at www.disabilityrightsaz.org or by phone at 800-927-2260. This video was brought to you by Disability Rights Arizona through a grant from the Arizona Commission for the Deaf and the Hard of Hearing. It has been made available for educational purposes and should not be used as a substitute for competent legal advice from a licensed professional attorney in your state.